the silence, I find a darkened space where echoes of my heart, they start to race. Emptiness surrounds me, lost in the night. Every whisper of your name, it feels so right. But the shadows in my mind, they won't let go. Suffering in silence, trapped in this sorrow. Your warmth was my shelter, now I feel the freeze. Yeah, when you speak my name, it brings me to my knees. The sound of your voice, it calms me down in a world gone wild. You're my only sound, makes my heart beat again, pulls me from the edge. Oh, the sound of your voice is my only place. I'm bitter with the memories, angry with the past. Each moment without you feels like a storm that's cast. Hurting inside, I wear my pain like a crown, but you touch me like a dream and I'm no longer down. The echoes of our laughter fade into the dark, but the sound of your voice ignites my spark. When I feel your gentle touch, I start to believe that in this wreckage, love is what I'll achieve. The sound of your voice, it calms me down in a world gone wild. You're my only sound, it makes my heart beat again, pulls me from the edge. Oh, the sound of your voice is my only pledge. Through the bitterness and pain, I'm finding my way. Lost in the chaos, but I hear you say, hold on, my love, we'll find the light again. And with every note you sing, I begin to mend. The sound of your voice, it calms me down in a world gone wild. You're my only sound, it makes my heart beat again, pulls me from the edge. Oh, the sound of your voice is my only pledge. The sound of your voice, it calms me down. The sound of your voice, I won't let you drown. The sound of your voice, it makes my heart sing. Oh, the sound of your voice, you're my